Hi, let us see next question in profit and loss. The cost of manufacturing an item was rupees 24,000 and 20% of it was spent on packaging and its shipment to a retailer. The manufacturer made a profit of 50% while the retailer incurred a loss of 20% in selling it to a customer. At what price was the item sold by the retailer? So in this question, first you have to write what is given. So the cost of manufacturing an item was rupees 24,000. So this is the cost price is equal to rupees 24,000 and 20% of it was spent on packaging. So the total cost price 20% of it, 20% of it means 20% of this amount. 20% of 24,000 was spent in packaging. So what is 20% of 24,000? 20 by 100 into 24,000. This will be equal to 4,800. So this amount was spent in packaging and shipment. So the total cost price will be the sum of this both, that is 24,000 plus 4,800, which is equal to rupees 28,800. So this is the cost price of the manufacturer. So here it is given that the manufacturer while selling it made a profit of 50%. So 50% of this amount was made as a profit. So what is the 50%? So the selling price of the manufacturer will be 28,800 plus 50% was made as a profit. So 50% of 28,800. So this will be the selling price of the manufacturer. So the answer for this you will get 28,800, 50 by 100 into 28,800. So 28,800 plus 14400. So this, when you will add this, 43200. So this will be the selling price of the manufacturer. The manufacturer sold the item at this cost. So this is the selling price for the manufacturer, but this will be the cost price for the retailer who purchased it. So the cost price of retailer will be rupees 43200, but the retailer sold it in a loss of 20%. So loss of 20%, what will be the selling price of the retailer? That you have to find out. So the loss here is 20% of this amount. So the selling price will be, as it is a loss, so minus 20% of 43200. So what is this 20% of 43200? 43200 minus 20 by 100 into 43200. So this value will be SP is equal to 43,200 minus 8640. So SP will be rupees 34,560. So this is the selling price for the retailer with a loss of rupees 20%, and this will be the selling price of the manufacturer with a profit of rupees 50%. Thank you.